Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking corn soup. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have pork belly, shrimp, onions. We got here moringa leaves or malungay leaves, fresh sweet corn, we got spring onion, we have soy sauce, olive oil, fish sauce, garlic, and ground pepper. So what we're gonna do first here is we have to grate the corn before we saute this. So this is a very simple recipe, and it will take only I should say 5 to 7 minutes tops. So let's proceed to cooking. Now, first thing we have to do is we have to grate the corn like this. Okay? Alright, look at that. So we're gonna do everything. We're gonna grate this like this before we saute it. Alright. Now the rest of the corn, we have to cut it like this. Alright. There you go. So the first one we grate it so we can have a good we're gonna have a good soup, and it will be kind of thick soup. So we're gonna do this for the rest of the corn. So this will be the combination of grated corn and the one we cut from the corn cob. So we will saute this now. In our hot pot here, let's put some olive oil or vegetable oil. Both will work. Okay, and then put our onions. Okay, let's give it a minute. Now let's put our garlic in. Give it a few seconds. Now let's fry our shrimp for a few minutes. Okay. We'll make it golden brown, and then we'll set this aside. Now we'll put our pork and mix this with the onions. Okay. All right. And then we'll put our moringa leaves or malungay leaves. And we'll give it a stir. Let's put a little bit of water. All right. Okay. And saute this for a few minutes before we put our corn. Okay. Let's put a little bit of soy sauce. Okay. And a little of fish sauce. All right. And give it a good stir. And then we'll cover this. Now let's check our moringa leaves. Okay. I think this is half cooked already. So this is the good time to put our corn. Right? Let's put our corn in. Okay. All right. And then we add more water. Okay. We'll give it a good stir. Wow, this looks nice. Okay, we're gonna put this to boil and we'll cover it. Now let's add now our grated corn. This will make our soup a little bit thicker, and we will let it boil for the next 2 or 3 minutes, and I guess it will be done after 3 minutes. Before we do that, let's put our green onions. All right. And then the last thing we're gonna put is our shrimp. So we'll cover this and cook this for the next 2 or 3 minutes. Now, final touch, we will put our shrimp. There you go. And again, give it a good stir. All right. Leave it for simmer this for the next minute and should be done. Here's the finished product, corn soup. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.